Hello and congratulations, you've reached the end section of the course. Now, it doesn't mean you're necessarily done and ready to take the exam, and that's what I want to talk about here. What should you do now in the final days to actually sit for the exam? So, by now, you should have gone through all of the lessons, gone through all of the labs, hopefully multiple times, passed all of the section quizzes, hopefully achieving 100%, participated in our community, studied some note cards, and had a lot of fun using the Orion papers. But now there's a few more things left for you to do. First, I would highly recommend and suggest that you go to the download section here and read through these white papers. Take a few days, even print them out, and start reading through them, highlight key points, because what these white papers are going to do is they are going to solidify everything that you've learned to this part of the course. When I studied for these exams, I went through a course similar to this first, and then I read the white papers. And reading the white papers after having the fundamental knowledge provided to me throughout the course, I was really able to absorb the additional and extra information that was provided in these white papers. Everything in these white papers made sense. I knew the terminology, I knew the architecture. I was able to absorb it that much more quickly and easily. And that really helped me to score well when I sat for the exam. After you do that, or during that, you do also have the final exam here. This is going to be a full exam that you need to pass 3 times in order to achieve 100% on this course. Now, if you fail or don't achieve close to 100% or above 90% on the final exam here, what you should do is identify those questions that you got wrong and go back to the lessons or the labs and review those topics. Now, after you've read all of the white papers and you've completed and passed the final exam 3 times, and you feel confident and comfortable with all the material, then you can go ahead and actually sit for the exam. And just as a reminder here, in the appendix, under about the exam, we do have, again, some tips on how to prepare for the exam and a blog post that I wrote about actually sitting for the exam. So what to expect when you actually go to the testing center. And then also there's the link here to register for the exam, which is done through Amazon Web Services, but partnered with Criterion. So you will schedule and find a test location using this portal here. So at this point, I wish you the best of luck in the exam, and please make sure to come to the community after you've taken the exam and post whether you have passed or failed and your experience while taking the exam. And with that, we will complete this lesson. Thank you for watching. You may now move on.